Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss the problem C of today's contest place for a selfie. The problem states that there are n straight lines given and m parabolas given to us, and parabola is open upward parabola, that is a will be always greater than equal to greater than 0. And what we have to find is that for a given parabola, we have to find if there exists a line which does not intersect with the given parabola. We are given the coordinates of a, b, c, the parameters of parabola, and we are given the slope of the line passing through the origin, right? And for each parabola, we have to find the slope of the line which is not intersecting with the given parabola. So for understanding, we have to visualize first what the question is asking and how we can approach the problem. Let us suppose a upward parabola is like this. Its vertex can be anything, as it can shift to any other coordinate by changing the value of a, b and c, right? So a straight line passing through origin will which will just not intersect the parabola will be like this, right? And in the left side also there will be a symmetric or non-symmetric parabola which will be just pass through its point and which will pass through origin. So this will be the slope of the first line, right? We are given the parabola as ax square plus bx plus c. Equal to y, right? So what we can do here, we note that if they are just touching at this particular point, the parabola and the line, they will have the equal x and y coordinate. So we can equate two equations, y equal to kx and y equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to y. So it will be ax square plus bx plus c equal to kx, right? And what the k here is, this is the maximum slope of the line which will be just intersect the parabola, right? So if we try to find the value of x, it will comes out to be x equal to, if we rearrange the x square and x terms, so it will be ax square plus b minus kx plus c equal to 0, right? So x will be equal to, now before going further, we should know one thing. If this is the particular line and this is a parabola, so our solution will exist when it will just intersect at a single point, right? So if we get the value of k, so we can get all the value of the slope which will be just less than the given k, because this particular k which is just intersecting the parabola will not be our answer, because it is intersecting. We have to include all the slopes of the line which are just less than this particular value of k, right? Now if this particular line and this particular parabola is intersecting at a single point, then the equation of this, the roots of this equation will have a unique solution, and unique solution is given by b square minus 4ac equal to 0, that is b minus k whole square minus 4ac equal to 0, right? Why we are getting this? Because the line and the parabola is intersecting at a single point at this particular case, right? Expanding this, we will get b square plus k square minus 2bk, or instead of doing this we can directly shift this to the other point, that is b minus k equal to under root 2 under root ac plus minus, right? And the value of k will be b plus minus 2 under root ac. Why we are getting two values here? That's the geometrical interpretation from this graph, because we will get a maximum value of k for this line, that is b plus 2 under root ac, and we will get a minimum value of k from this line, that is b minus 2 under root ac for this line, and b plus under root 2 under root ac for this line. So all the slope which are just less than b minus 2 under root ac, and all the slope which are just greater than b minus 2 under root ac, we have to print any of the slope which are included in the range b plus 2 under root ac. It should be less than this value, and it should be greater than b minus 2 ac. So any slope which is just greater than 2 under root ac and just less than b plus 2 under root ac will be our answer. So this was all about the observation and intuition of this problem. I will proceed to the solution of this problem. So what I have done here, I have taken n and m as input and take a set in which I will be inserting all the value of slope, and for each particular value of parabola, that is the parameters of parabola a, b and c, if any value of c is negative, then answer will be no, because we know that under root ac should be always positive value, and we know that a is always positive as mentioned in the question, then c should be always positive. If c is negative, then it will be an imaginary number which is can't possible, so c should be always greater than equal to 0. And then I have find it x is equal to b plus 2 under root ac, that is the maximum slope, and we have to find a slope which is just less than this number. First I have taken the CL of that number, and then I have find it the number which is just greater than or equal to the maximum number, and after that if it is the first number which is the maximum number, then we know that there is no option. Then, and if there is a number which is just less than b plus 2 under root ac, we are checking if this number is less than or equal to the minimum number, that is 2b minus 2 under root ac or not, right? And if it is greater than the minimum number, it should be greater than this number. If it is greater than this number, then we are just printing the value of that particular slope. If it is less than this number, then there is no option, we have to print no. So this was all about the solution. The only main observation here you have to see is that, one second, yeah, the only observation here, you have to get the maximum value of slope and the minimum value of slope the line can have, and for that you have to equate the two lines and find the value of slope from this particular equation by equating the roots of this particular equation will be equal, and b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. So this was all about solution. I hope you like it. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.